We don't know. We'll find out again tomorrow. Jumar, if he can come back to play.
Much magandang hugot mo naman, Almond Vosotros came in, almost brought back TNT. Coach, can you just talk about Almond's performance?
Well, that's why he's there. He's backup in case we need offense off the bench.
Coach, can you explain what happened with
I was just clapping. I don't know what he was upset about. When they called, I knew it was going to be a technical, so I was clapping. And then sabi niya, why? What did I do? Sabi ko, I'm just clapping. What am I doing? And hindi ko siya kinausap, wala akong sinabi sa kanya. I just clapped. Kasi technical eh. So I knew we would get a technical. Kala niya yata sa kanya ako nakatulong. Siyempre, nakatingin ako sa kanya. Palakpak ako. Sabi niya, what did I do? Sabi ko, what am I doing? I'm not doing it. I'm just clapping.